Hello and welcome to Energiebewegung, Energy in Motion. Happy Valentine's Day! Along with our My Intuition Guides Me video, brand new and freshly posted, I'd like to offer a special Valentine's present to the Energiebewegung viewers. The present is 3 months of training in Energiebewegung's Trust and Transform program. In the Trust and Transform 3-month program, you will learn how to bring in energy from the source by applying San Jiao in advanced methods. You'll also learn how to clear and heal yourself, your patterns, and you'll also learn how to repair broken relationships with energetic healing. You'll also learn about the connection you have with everyone you know and how to use these connections to communicate with people's subconscious, improve your relationships, and improve your life. We will cover creating a circle of power and using it to manifest what you desire. And you'll benefit from 4 one-on-one sessions and 8 group sessions. You will also learn how to project your astral body. So, if you are the 7th, 7th person to email me at contact@energiebewegung.com, which will be in the description, you will win and join us for 3 months of online training. Just type in "I'm in" in the email subject and do it now. To put a timestamp on this video will be posted noon Central European time, that's Berlin time. And the 7th one after this video is posted at noon on Monday the 14th, 7th one after that to send me the message will win the prize. Happy Valentine's Day, and I look forward to hearing from you.